plugin is an add-on of the Zowie CLI component, which is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux, that enables you to communicate with the ZOS environment through a command line UI. Two kinds of communication exist. One is through API Mediation Layer, which is a component that Zowie installed in ZOS, and another is through REST API of ZConnector, called FastPath. This video shows the FastPath installation. Download the file through the Automation Hub and search for Zowie in the catalog. In the documentation section, you can see a preview of the commands available in the plugin. The Info tab shows a list of useful information about the plugin, in particular the version of ZConnector that is required. In this video, the ZConnector and ZController are already installed. Now you install the Zowie CLI through this link. Note that the Node Manager and NPM are prerequisites. Verify that these components are currently installed. Then run the install Zowie CLI commands, and wait for completion.